Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to set up mail forwarding Microsoft Outlook on computer. So how to set up mail forwarding Microsoft Outlook on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To set up mail forwarding Outlook, just go. Direct the cursor to the upper right corner of the computer screen. Here there is a setting icon. And tap. Here there are many menu options that you can use. Select the Mail menu. Now in the Mail menu there are many menus. Tap the Forwarding menu. On this menu, tap to activate the forward. Now here the Email Input menu will appear. Enter the destination email so that it automatically forwards the email you entered. This feature is useful for sharing information quickly or redirecting messages to another account without having to resend them manually. So that's it, tutorial how to set up mail forwarding Microsoft Outlook on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.